1. 1930 Ford Pro Street Truck. Price, $30,000, located, Sylvania, Ohio. This 1930 Ford Pro Street Truck is a stunning custom-built hot rod that combines classic pre-war styling with serious high-performance hardware. Featuring the unmistakable appearance of an early Ford pickup, this truck has been transformed into a powerful street machine designed to attract attention wherever it goes. The aggressive stance, custom chassis setup, and performance-oriented components make it an excellent choice for enthusiasts who appreciate traditional hot rod culture with modern power. Under the hood sits a supercharged 454 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine that delivers exceptional horsepower and torque. The engine is paired with a dependable turbo 350 automatic transmission, creating a combination known for both durability and impressive acceleration. Power is transferred through a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with a 3.55 gear ratio and Grizzly Locker differential, providing excellent traction and strength. Four-wheel disc brakes offer improved stopping power and confidence behind the wheel. The truck has been carefully assembled to provide a balance of performance, reliability, and classic styling. Whether displayed at car shows, driven to cruise nights, or enjoyed on the open road, this 1930 Ford Pro Street Truck offers an unforgettable driving experience. Its combination of vintage appearance, supercharged big block power, and custom craftsmanship makes it a highly desirable vehicle for collectors and hot rod enthusiasts alike. 2. 1932 Ford Vicky. Price, $20,000, located, Paducah, Kentucky. This 1932 Ford Vicky is a classic hot rod that combines timeless styling with dependable performance and everyday drivability. Built using a fiberglass body mounted on a reproduction frame, this vehicle captures the iconic appearance of the legendary 1932 Ford while benefiting from modern construction techniques. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, the car delivers a bold presence that attracts attention at cruise nights, local car shows, and weekend events. Power comes from a strong 351 Cleveland V8 engine paired with an FMX automatic transmission. The drivetrain provides smooth acceleration and reliable operation, making the car enjoyable for both short trips and longer drives. The vehicle also features a Mustang front suspension setup, helping improve handling and ride quality compared to many traditional hot rods. Inside, the cabin includes bucket seats, carpeting, dashboard instrumentation, and gauges. The car has been garage kept and maintained with care throughout ownership. Combining classic Ford styling, proven V8 performance, and a clean title, this 1932 Ford Vicky offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and enjoyable street rod. 3. 1932 Ford Vicky. Price, $38,500, located, Castalian Springs, Tennessee. This 1932 Ford Vicky is a beautifully built street rod that blends classic hot rod styling with modern comfort, performance, and reliability. Built on a traditional 1932 Ford frame and believed to feature a high-quality Downs fiberglass body, this vehicle offers exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout. Finished in blue with a luxurious black leather interior, the car presents beautifully and is ready for cruising, shows, or weekend road trips. Power is supplied by a dependable 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine backed by a 700R automatic overdrive transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4-link suspension and coilover shocks, providing excellent ride quality and handling. Additional features include a dropped front axle, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator, power windows, tilt steering column, premium stereo system, and a full set of gauges. The spacious interior includes a rear seat, finished headliner, and quality upholstery. Everything is reported to function properly. This Vicky combines classic appearance with modern convenience, making it an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a comfortable and reliable hot rod. 4. 1932 Ford Coupe. Price, $39,000, located, Sullivan, Wisconsin. This 1932 Ford Coupe is a classic American hot rod that captures the spirit of traditional street rodding while offering the performance and reliability expected from a professionally built custom vehicle. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the car delivers an aggressive and timeless appearance that remains one of the most recognizable designs in automotive history. Built as a true hot rod, this Ford Coupe features numerous upgrades that enhance both drivability and performance. The sleek body lines, low stance, and carefully crafted details create a vehicle that stands out whether displayed at car shows or driven on the open road. The interior has been designed to provide comfort while maintaining the vintage character that enthusiasts appreciate. According to the seller, the vehicle is in excellent condition with a clean title and no significant issues. The car has been well maintained and carefully preserved throughout its ownership history. Combining classic styling, custom craftsmanship, and strong collector appeal, this 1932 Ford Coupe represents an outstanding opportunity for hot rod enthusiasts seeking a vehicle that offers both performance and timeless automotive heritage. 5. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $12,500, located, Decatur, Alabama. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a lightweight street rod that delivers classic hot rod styling, impressive performance, and endless driving enjoyment. Finished in green, the vehicle features a fiberglass body that helps reduce weight while preserving the unmistakable appearance of the iconic Model T-inspired design. Built for cruising and weekend fun, this T-Bucket offers a unique driving experience that stands apart from modern vehicles. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 700R automatic overdrive transmission. This combination provides strong acceleration, dependable operation, and comfortable highway cruising thanks to the overdrive gear. The drivetrain is further supported by a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle known for its strength and reliability. The vehicle runs exceptionally well and has been described as ready to drive anywhere. All lighting systems function properly, and the car is currently registered and titled. With its strong V8 power, distinctive appearance, and proven reliability, this 1923 Ford T-Bucket represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a fun and affordable hot rod. 6. 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster Deluxe. Price, $7,500, located, Dundee, Michigan. This 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster Deluxe is a one-of-a-kind custom rat rod that combines classic post-war Chevrolet styling with creative hot rod modifications. Featuring a dramatically chopped roof and channeled body, this vehicle has been transformed into a unique cruiser that commands attention wherever it appears. The custom paintwork, distinctive stance, and handcrafted details make it a true conversation piece among automotive enthusiasts. Power is supplied by a dependable Chevrolet 235 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine paired with a traditional 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. Recent maintenance includes a tune-up, distributor, fuel pump, battery, aluminum radiator, and electric cooling fan. The car runs and drives, offering an enjoyable vintage driving experience with plenty of personality. Additional custom touches include shaved doors, open roof design, Cadillac headlights, original spotlight, and a rare Auburn-style grille. The vehicle's rat rod character is enhanced by its handcrafted appearance and unique modifications. For buyers seeking a classic Chevrolet with individuality and unmistakable hot rod appeal, this Fleetmaster Deluxe offers tremendous value and unmatched character. 7. 1923 Ford T Roadster. Price, $16,000, located, Huntington, West Virginia. This 1923 Ford T Roadster is a classic open-air hot rod that delivers excitement, style, and a truly unique driving experience. Finished in bright red with a matching red interior, this Roadster captures the spirit of traditional American hot rodding while providing the performance and reliability expected from a well-maintained custom build. Its lightweight construction and compact dimensions make it an incredibly fun vehicle to drive on local roads, cruise nights, and weekend events. The vehicle has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent condition with a clean title. Its simple yet effective design focuses on maximizing driving enjoyment while retaining the timeless appearance that has made T-Bucket-style roadsters popular for decades. The low seating position, open cockpit, and responsive handling create an experience unlike modern vehicles. Whether attending car shows or enjoying scenic drives, this Ford consistently attracts attention and admiration. According to the seller, it offers the excitement of a motorcycle while providing the stability and comfort of a four-wheel vehicle. This 1923 Ford T Roadster is a fantastic choice for enthusiasts seeking a fun and memorable hot rod. 8. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $12,500, located, Channahon, Illinois. This 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a classic street rod built for enthusiasts who appreciate simple design, dependable performance, and traditional hot rod styling. Finished in green with a brown interior, the vehicle offers a timeless appearance that captures the essence of American hot rod culture. Its lightweight construction and compact dimensions make it an enjoyable vehicle for cruising, local events, and weekend drives. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 350 cubic inch small block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination delivers strong acceleration and reliable operation while remaining easy to maintain. The vehicle also features four-wheel disc brakes, providing enhanced stopping power and improved confidence behind the wheel. A durable Ford rear axle helps ensure dependable performance and long-term reliability. Built primarily as a driver rather than a show vehicle, this T-Bucket focuses on delivering enjoyable road manners and classic hot rod character. With its proven V8 power, simple mechanical design, and unmistakable appearance, this Ford offers an affordable entry into the world of traditional American street rods. 9. 1931 Hudson Essex Rat Rod. Price, $30,000, located, Livingston, Tennessee. This 1931 Hudson Essex Rat Rod is a bold custom build that perfectly captures the rebellious spirit of traditional hot rodding. Featuring a heavily modified and chopped body, the vehicle combines vintage styling with modern performance upgrades to create a machine that stands out at every event. Its aggressive stance, custom craftsmanship, and distinctive appearance make it an unforgettable presence on the road. Under the hood sits a powerful Chevrolet 454 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This combination provides impressive horsepower and torque while maintaining dependable drivability. The vehicle also features an advanced air ride suspension system, allowing the ride height to be adjusted for both comfort and dramatic visual appeal. Every aspect of the build has been designed to maximize individuality and showcase the creativity of classic rat rod culture. The car consistently draws attention wherever it appears and offers a driving experience unlike any ordinary vehicle. Combining vintage Hudson heritage, big block power, and extensive customization, this Essex Rat Rod represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a truly unique and highly recognizable custom vehicle. 10. 1926 Hudson Wagon. Price, $17,500, located, White House, Tennessee. This 1926 Hudson Wagon is a distinctive custom hot rod that blends vintage styling with dependable modern mechanical components. Finished in red, the vehicle has been thoughtfully built to provide reliable performance while retaining the unique character that makes pre-war automobiles so appealing. Its classic wagon body style and eye-catching appearance ensure it receives attention wherever it travels. Power comes from a Chevrolet 355 cubic inch crate engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination provides strong performance, dependable operation, and easy maintenance. The vehicle rides on an S10 chassis, improving handling, ride quality, and parts availability while maintaining the classic Hudson appearance. According to the seller, the car runs and drives exceptionally well and has proven to be very dependable. While the paint shows some age-related imperfections, the vehicle remains highly presentable and enjoyable. Its unique styling, strong V8 power, and practical mechanical upgrades make it a standout among custom street rods. This Hudson wagon offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a reliable and unusual classic vehicle that combines vintage charm with modern drivability. 11. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $47,000, located, Brighton, Illinois. This 1934 Chevrolet Coupe is a beautifully crafted street rod that combines classic pre-war styling with impressive modern performance. Built using a high-quality Outlaw fiberglass body, the vehicle delivers the timeless appearance of a traditional Chevrolet coupe while incorporating numerous upgrades that enhance reliability, comfort, and drivability. Finished in black with a gray interior, this custom build presents exceptionally well and commands attention wherever it appears. Power comes from a supercharged big block Chevrolet engine paired with a durable turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 3.31 gears, providing excellent highway manners and strong acceleration. Additional performance upgrades include four-wheel disc brakes, line lock system, and a Mustang 2 independent front suspension for improved handling and ride quality. Convenience features include power windows, electric doors, electric trunk release, and modern interior appointments. New Mickey Thompson rear tires further enhance both appearance and traction. Combining classic hot rod character, powerful big block performance, and modern comfort features, this 1934 Chevrolet Coupe represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a high-quality custom street rod. 12. 1931 Ford Victoria. Price, $45,000, located, Versailles, Indiana. This 1931 Ford Victoria is an exceptional all-steel street rod that blends traditional hot rod styling with modern engineering and dependable performance. Finished in black with a matching black leather interior, this trophy-winning vehicle has been carefully maintained and remains in outstanding condition. Built on a premium TCI chassis, the car offers significantly improved handling, ride quality, and structural integrity compared to many traditional builds. Power is supplied by a reliable Chevrolet 350 cubic inch crate engine paired with a rebuilt 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. The drivetrain is complemented by a Chevrolet rear axle fitted with 3.08 gears, providing comfortable highway cruising and excellent drivability. Additional upgrades include a Mustang 2 independent front suspension, torque thrust wheels, leather bucket seats, premium audio system, fold-out windshield, and numerous custom touches throughout. The vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well and has earned recognition at automotive events for its quality and presentation. Combining classic Ford styling, proven Chevrolet performance, and professional craftsmanship, this 1931 Ford Victoria offers an ideal balance of comfort, reliability, and show quality appeal for serious hot rod enthusiasts and collectors.